Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am African. So guys, today we are still at the village. We are in Kenyan country. That's why I have a lesson that has a label of Kenya. So guys, today we are going to make cabbage. It's not even a traditional, but it's not usually used to eat with ugali. But today we have to use it for ugali. So guys, we are going to start the process of cutting it, and then we fry it together, guys. So guys, welcome as we continue with you together. Awesome. So guys, it's the process of cutting it. We're going to wash it first, and then these two layers I'll give them to my chicken. So you are going to cut it into 4 for it to be easy to be washed, and then we'll cut it. So guys, we are through with cutting our vegetable. So guys, let me light the fire. We are through with cutting our vegetable. So let me light the fire, and then we are going to fry it together, guys. Ingredients for our cabbage. So let's continue now. So guys, our ingredients are ready. So let's go now and fry our cabbage. We are going to fry. And this is my normal chipsy, which I normally use for cooking. It's the best, especially in chapo. So guys, let's continue now frying. And then okay, when the fat is already cooked, and then we are going to add our onions. And then we leave it for some time. So guys, let's now add our onions. Oh my god. And then we add our salt. And then we wait for it to cook for some time. Let me wash this one first. So let's wait for it to cook for some time. So guys, I hope it's ready. So before we add our vegetable, you can see our tomatoes are well cooked. So we are going to add the tomato before we add our vegetable to avoid the taste, the direct taste. So after adding like this, we are going to add our cabbage. So let's steam it for some time, and then I'll come and stir it. So guys, finally we are going to add milk. We're going to add milk. This is the milk. And then we give it some 3 to 4 minutes for it to cook before we finally take our supper. So this one we are going to take it to ugali. So let's give it some few minutes for it to get together before we finally take our food. So guys, our veggies is ready. You can see it's really very delicious. So we are going to serve it and you're going to eat it with ugali.